Fort Logan National Cemetery. Fort Logan National Cemetery is a United States national cemetery in Denver, Colorado. Fort Logan, a former U.S. Army installation, was named after Union General John Logan, commander of U.S. volunteer forces during the American Civil War. It contains 214 acres and has over 122,000 interments as of 2014. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2016. History. Fort Logan itself was established on October 31, 1887 and was in continuous use until 1946 when most of the acreage except for the cemetery was turned over to the state of Colorado. The National Cemetery was created in 1950. Notable burials. Medal of Honor recipient. Major William East. Items 1939-1971 U.S. Army Company of 227th Aviation Battalion Assault Helicopter 53rd Aviation Battalion Combat 1st Aviation Brigade. Quantum Province, Republic of Vietnam. Private John Davis 1838-1901 Company F 17th Indiana Mounted Infantry. Culloden, Georgia, April 1865 Civil War Cenotaph. First Sergeant Maximo Yabes 1932-1967 U.S. Army Company F 4th Battalion 9th Infantry 25th Infantry Division. Phu Ho Dong, Republic of Vietnam. Others. George R. Karen 1990-1995 Tail Gunner on the Enola Gay. Shauna Carroll 1901-1995 United States Representative and Senator. Joanne Kont 1933-2013 Transgender Woman. As Joseph Bayonne, Kont served as a military Morse code operator for the U.S. Army and Air Force during the Korean War. John Fahrenheit. Curry 1886-1973 Major General and First Commander of the Civil Air Patrol. Stephen Kerner 1984-1999 Columbine High School massacre victim. Aspired to join the Air Force after graduation. Danny Dietz 1980-2005 U.S. Navy SEAL. Littleton Seal native perished in Operation Red Wings. Arthur Harvey 1895-1976 all pioneer and a veteran of World War I and World War II. Byron Mex Johnson 1911-2005 Negro League baseball player. Richard H. Kindig 1916-2008 photographer noted for documenting the rail transport industry of Colorado and the Rocky Mountains. Ines Klingbeil 1908-1995 professional hockey player. Fitzroy Newsom 1918-2013 regional member of the Tuskegee Airmen. John Powers Severin 1921-2012 renowned comic book artist notably for EC Comics, Marvel Comics and Cracked. Dorothy L. Starbuck 1917-1996 Women's Army Corps officer and Veterans Administration civil servant. Carl H. Timmerman 1922-1951 commanded the unit which captured the Rhine River Zudendorf Bridge at Remagen during World War II. Kyle Velasquez 1982-1999 Columbine High School massacre victim. Aspired to join the Navy after graduation. Valerie. Image FD Loganon, JPG replaced at Headstones image Bondbry, JPG Bondbry image Fort Logan National Cemetery 4, JPG Graves in a newer section image Fort Logan National Cemetery, Denver, Co. Graves IMG 5959. JPG Fort Logan National Cemetery, April 5, 2012 image Fort Logan National Cemetery 5, JPG flags placed on graves, Memorial Day 2006 image Fort Logan Old section of graves, JPG graves in the older section image Carl F. Boss German Pow grave Fort Logan, JPG grave of Carl Fahrenheit. Bots, a German World War Roman to POW.